Hi, ladies and gentlemen. Oh yeah, guess where we're going today? Paying for a car wash. It's gonna rain tomorrow. I paid about $10. I remember they used to be a lot cheaper than that.
Select the wash by touching the corresponding
Okay, we gotta put a code in.
or touch the enter code button to enter your code.
39683.
Please enter your code
Ah,
by touching
my
the
hat.
corresponding buttons. Touch enter when finished. Please, thank you. Please pull forward slowly into the wash.
Let's close that window. It's real tight. Drive ahead. Stop. Sit here and wait for the wash to be done. All windows are closed. Enjoy. Even though it's going to rain tomorrow, I still want to get the bugs off. I should wipe and clean it. Look at that, man. Get those windows clean quick. I'm going to a park today. I really do want to plug this bad boy in. Sorry if my hands get in the way and the camera's shaky. Look at that! I'm foamed in! It's color-coded foam! That is neat! Oh man, I haven't seen that stuff like graffiti in such a long time. Jurassic Wash! Oh man, did I just steal that name? Watch out! We're being washed! I can't see what's happening! I don't know if the brushes are there. How's that? Is that helpful? I'm not going to do my brushes again. The brush is coming onto the window. Oh yeah, man. Yeah! Look at that bad boy! Right up on the roof, man. Oh yeah! Got these colorful lights. That is neat, man. It's well worth the $10. Hey guys, I should monetize this video to get my $10 back, man. How many people are gonna watch it? 10 million to get my $10. Here it comes again. Got a lot of bugs on the car. That's why I went through. Yeah, he's looking. Say, yeah. Why couldn't he wash the car? I actually did go through a car wash. It cost me about $30, man. They cleaned everything. Did a nice job, but it took like 45 minutes. Concentrate on that front, baby. I may have to get new wiper blades. I'll place an order in for them. Here comes my rinse. Again, this cost me $10. Nothing bad about it. Look at that. Good job. Got a couple of issues right here. You can see the residue, the soap. See it? Right there, little soap marks. Not bad. How long is this? 5 minutes. Applying wax to the car now. It's spot-free wax. Now it's blowing it. I feel that, man. I feel that pressure. Woo. Got one more thing to go. There are 3 washes, a standard for 8. The middle one for 10, and there was one for like I think almost $20. I chose to do the $10. At least I don't have to get out and do a wash. I think it's well worth it. Once it's finished, I'll go inspect the car, show you the job it did. The windows could have been done a little bit better. I'll be finishing my Slurpee in a few seconds. I want to beat the 8.5 minute chapter, trust me. Gotta love 3D, man. 3060. 360. Alright, we should be done. It's going to say drive ahead in about 20 seconds. Well worth the money, man. Well worth it. Drive ahead, we're done. Let's get out of here. Don't go fast through this because it's very tight. It's going to be wet. So let's pull out over here and take a look at the car. See what it looks like. Did a good job. You can feel the brakes are good. Always had that little scratch there. Don't know where it came from, but man, it took all the bugs. Yeah, took all the bugs off the car. Not really. They left all this on there. Almost. Still left the bugs on here. This definitely from them, not me. You can see all the dirt, all stuff. Well, yeah, there you have it. I gotta get going. I want to beat the 8 minutes and 30-second chapter. 3 hours to do this. Guys, great. Have a great day. Enjoy. Not the best wash in the world. I'll take care of it at a later time.